970 soundbar on Amazon. So this soundbar was launched on 26th October 2023. Originally I had planned to buy the GoVo gosourround 950, but at the last moment I decided to go with the GoVo gosourround 970. So I was able to purchase it for 9,000 rupees and received 1,000 rupees discount by using my HDFC card. Without HDFC card, the original price on Amazon was 10,000 rupees. So now let's unbox it. I noticed the specifications on the box, which indicates a 525 watt output, HDMI ARC support, auxiliary input and Bluetooth connectivity. These features sounds promising for a higher quality audio experience. Soundbar's audio quality is outstanding. I'm really happy with my purchase.